What's up, everyone? Icy Gains here, back at it again with another beautiful stock market video. What's going to happen today? Well, it's not an official episode for the YouTube series, the Greatest Stock Market for Beginners YouTube series, by the way. It is actually just like a sub episode where I'm going to be doing weekly recaps of my beautiful trades of the week. Maybe some are going to be very good. Maybe some I'm going to review why a certain trade didn't go my way. Because in the stock market, you can have the perfect setup, the perfect rules, but it's never 100%. It's never 100%. The stock market is about taking action in the highest probability trades or highest probability buys, um, so that success is in your favor. You don't want to gamble. You don't want to wish for certain plays to just work for you. You want to make sure that you're following your strategy, that it has a good win to lose ratio, and all that. So here we go. But before we get started, I actually want to say happy Thanksgiving to everyone that's celebrating Thanksgiving. I hope you guys eat very good, spend time with the family, enjoy your day, and of the pretty much the entire holiday weekend. I actually have my first jiu-jitsu competition next Saturday, and that means that I can't really feast, which sucks, but it's gonna be fun still spending it with family on this beautiful day. So I really wanted to make this video on Thanksgiving because I love doing this. This is my passion. I hope you guys also enjoy my videos. Um, Expect weekly videos now, and the episodes for the series will continue very soon. I just want to make sure that I'm not skipping any important information so that the beginners don't get they don't miss any important pretty much step into getting into trading, getting into long-term investing, and all that. So without further ado, let's get started. What play did I call out? What stock was the banger play? So here it was Meta. I'm very I'm very happy to review this one. It was amazing. I'm going to show you everything from step 1 to step 10, starting from my Discord, which I'm going to take some time to tell you here. This Discord is the best Discord for stock market beginners, advanced, intermediate, whatever level you are. This Discord is I want to build this Discord community for the anyone interested in the stock market. We review anything from long-term shares buying. We review trading. We review stock market news, and everything in between to help everybody get comfortable on why the stock market is moving the way that it is at the time. So let's get started with the Discord here. I'm going to show you what goes down exactly in the Discord. So let's get started, baby. Let's go. Discord. Here we go. Oh my god, I just love my Discord. It's just so beautiful. You have beautiful channels here, and you have my beautiful commentary. Like, come on. And I have pictures of the WWE top dogs of IC trades. Come on. All right, come on. So here it was Friday, November 21st, 12:43 p.m. 17 minutes before the market closed, right? Meta was looking amazing, perfect. All the indicator signals were lining up perfectly to show me that this was going to bounce. Um, and and when you have experience in the stock market, sometimes you know when to buy a contract on a Friday versus on a Monday. I decided to buy this contract on a Friday. You can see here that Meta was only at 595. I let the team know. I said, be ready. The storm will pass. The sun will shine. IC will lead the craziest banger with Meta. Started position on Meta. So basically, I'm just like trying to tell the team here that this play is going to be high confidence. Meta 6:30 call, expiring the following week, which is tomorrow, for only $83. This contract was only $83 on Friday. It closed around 595. And what happens after? Well, let me show you. Let me show you. Here we go. Meta closed Friday at 595. Monday, gaps up. Gaps up. When I say gap up, it means that the stock jumped in price by a good chunk from one day to another. Usually the stocks will close at 200 and open at 200 the next day, but sometimes it will gap up or gap down, which for Meta it did because it closed at 595, but on Monday it opened at already almost 600. That right there was already a great start to the week because the plays were already up. Meta went from 600 to 615. From right there, you're already in profit with that contract. You're already in profit all day. All day. What happens the next day? Another gap up. Another gap up. Meta then goes from 618 to 635. In just 2 days, my play or my stock from where I bought the call from 595 to 635 is $40. Meta pushed $40 in just 2 full trading days. That contract, and I just want to review that contract as well. Check this out. Check this out. So here we had Robinhood Legend. This is the exact contract that we bought, 630 call, right? So you can see, this is really cool, by the way. I don't know if you guys had Robinhood, but I like it. Robinhood is showing that, when I bought the contract on Friday, I bought it at 83. Look at that, 83, $82, right? This same contract on Monday, first of all, gapped up to the 100, 200 area. Awesome. Tuesday, that's when we made the real money. 200 to 600 in the first hour of Tuesday. If you held Tuesday to the highs at $635, this same contract went up to $1,200. $83 turned into $1,200. That's over $1,000 in profit made if you held the contract from the bottom to the top. I don't know what else to say, but that this play was a banger. This play was a banger. And let's go back to the chart. Okay, back to the chart here. So, I love how most of you could already understand how this play was caught by me on Friday because of the simple strategy of levels: strong support levels, strong resistance levels, right? That was on episode 4 or 5. But on the daily time frame, check this out. I found that there was a strong support level at the 588-ish area because look at every time that the stock reacted to this level: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, obviously, right here. So 10 reaction points. I said in my previous episode that usually you only need 3 to 5 to make it a strong support or resistance level. But 10 reaction points from this stock Meta, that's all you needed to know that this stock was going to, it's highly likely it was going to react again and bounce from this strong support level. And yeah, so basically that was the reason why this play setup was amazing. It was perfect. And the way that we executed it as well, buying it on Friday and holding it till Monday or Tuesday, that was amazing. And I think that's basically it, guys. I'm very excited for the more reviews to come through every week. And again, my Discord is free. If you haven't joined already, feel free to join if you are interested in the stock market. I'm going to start getting into long-term investing videos very soon, but I wanted to make sure that I just gave you guys the introduction to what trading is and what type of strategies or information you might need to get into trading. But yeah, as always, Icy Gains got your back. I will have the Discord link down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And please let me know any questions you might have. Let me know what you want me to review, what I should talk about for the next few videos. And if you decide to join in the Discord, the Icy Trades Discord, it's going to be a fun ride. I will see you there. Let's get going. Again, happy Thanksgiving. I love you all. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Very quick recap on Meta. Thank you so much, Mark Zuckerberg, for this amazing company. Man, yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys have a good week, good month. You already know, get ready for 2026, because we definitely are. So, Icy Gains, back at it again with another banger here. I always got your back.